Today we are going to discuss PAQ form in matrices. PAQ form in matrices. Okay. So, what is the procedure to reduce a matrix to PAQ form? First, what you have to do is the first step involves the matrix A. You have to write in the form of IMAIN. So, what this meaning means? Suppose if the A matrix is of having order 3 by 4, then you have to write it as I3 A I4. So 3 by 4 means you have to write I3 A I4. Suppose if the matrix A is having 3 by 3 matrix, if the matrix A is having 3 by 3, then you have to write A3 A I3. Okay, 3 by 3 unit matrix, 3 by 3 unit matrix you have to write. Here also the matrix A, depending upon the order, you have to write IMAIN. This is the first step. Next one, what you have to do, the reduce the matrix A on left hand side to normal form. That means this matrix A you have to reduce it to normal form. That means on A you have to apply the both row and column operations and reduce it to the normal form. That already we did that model. Okay. So suppose if you apply the a row operation on left hand side, that operation you have to apply only on this one. Row operations you have to apply on only this one, and the column operations only you have to apply on this one. Okay, on A you can apply both row and column operations. On the left hand side matrix you can apply both row and column operations, but on the right hand side on the IM matrix you have to apply only the row operations. On the post factor IN matrix you have to apply the only column operations. That I have discussed in the third and fourth points. So then the left hand matrix A is reduced to the normal form, then IM is reduced to the form P A as usual, and the IN matrix is reduced to Q form. Here the determinant of P not equal to 0 and the determinant of Q also not equal to 0, and you come across with P and Q. These two are not unique for, so 60 members will do this problem. P and Q they will get the different answers. Okay, that is the concept. Main you have to remember, on A you can apply the both row and column operations, but on the prefactor or IM matrix you have to apply the only row operations. On the post factor you have to apply the only column operations. So that is enough you have to remember. Then it has been reduced to PAQ form. Okay, so I will take one problem. So here the matrix A is having the order 3 by 4. So how the matrix you have to write it as A is equal to I3 A I4. You have to write like this. So I3 unit matrix, therefore I have written the unit matrix I3. Similarly I have written the 4 by 4 unit matrix. The given matrix A I have written here. Next you have to apply the both row and column operations on this one. On this one you have to apply the both row and column operations, and you have to reduce this matrix to which one? So you have to reduce this matrix to normal form. Suppose 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 0. Similarly 0 0 0 0. This matrix also will change to some else. 1 2 3 5 9 7, some 8 7 6. A into this matrix will be reduced to 1 3 5 9 6 8 7 4 0 3 2 1 5 9 7 1. Okay, you have to apply the only row operations on this one, column operations on this one you have to apply. Okay, now this is IR00. This is in the form of IR00. It has been reduced to normal form. Then this matrix is called the P and this matrix is called the Q. So P means this is the matrix, Q is this is the matrix. Okay, this type of solving the problem and getting the P and Q matrices are called the PAQ form. Okay, thank you.